Welcome to Great Minds Code, and this is a demo of how we will be utilizing this application for our programming course. So as you can see, we've got a register button, and I just want to iterate that this course offers, this application offers a range of capabilities. So we are just going to dive in to see how it works. So you've got the register button. So as a new student or a new user, you will have to put in your first name, your last name, and sort of come up with a username as well. And also you would also need your email address and a password, and also a password confirmation as well. So I'm just putting in my password. So I need to give it a password. So I need to think of a password to give it. Let's see. Let's give it something simple that we can easily remember. So we've got our password there, and we just need to confirm that password. And then we just confirm the password, and then we can register. So yes, well, I always want my system to remember the password. So now we have registered, and now I can log in into the application. Isn't that just nice? So now we are in Great Minds Code, and as a new user, you will be able to have a dashboard where you can view your courses, see your assignments, see your quizzes that you've taken as well. So in order to start, you need to actually enroll for a course you want to take. So you enroll for that course, and you just hit the Start Learning button. There's a bit of an introduction for the course as well, and then you just you can also go through the details of what you're going to learn and everything that you're going to learn, all the topics as well, and the materials that you'll be needing. You can also go into the course just to preview that as well, and it's just going to tell you what each lesson is about. And one really nice unique feature is the quiz as well. So the user can actually undergo quiz based on the knowledge they have learned, which I think is really very, very interesting. And so they get an option to choose from during the quiz sessions, and also too they get the use of artificial intelligence to assist them in doing things. So what I mean by that is, for example, they just cannot remember what was taught in, for example, what are the operations used. There is an artificial intelligence GMC support tool, chatbot, that they can ask the question. So they can just literally copy out the question. What are used to perform operations on values and variables. Now, this tool would aid them in remembering what they forgot. So it's kind of like an aid tool, especially when the instructor is not with them and they have to undertake this quiz on their own, at their own convenient time. And that's one of the really great features of Great Minds Code, is that we've got an assisted intelligence chatbot that can also support in their learning experience, which would also help them in the knowledge of what they are learning about. They've got the dashboard where they can set up their profile. They can check for their enrolled courses. They can check for the quizzes that they've attempted. They can change some settings. And also one really exciting feature is the fact that when they are actually undergoing exercises and they are somehow stuck in trying to complete their programming exercise, they can actually leave a comment in the application that would help the instructor to assist them in actually knowing where they're stocked. And this is actually a really good tool that would that would help them in that, in learning programming as well. So this is just like a simple lesson, and that is just a quick demo